Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send audio file on Instagram. So first of all, you have to open your browser and type here wetransfer.com. This is a very popular website to share audio, video and photos. Click on send a file. Tap on this plus icon to upload your audio here. Select files. Tap on this three line to the top left corner. Tap on audio and select the audio which you want to share. Tap on next and select here get a link and tap on get a link, and your audio will upload here. Now you have to copy link by tapping on this button and open your Instagram. Open the conversation where you want to send the audio and simply paste the audio link here and tap on send, and they can download the audio file by tapping on this URL. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.